He may say, yeah, I agree what has been spoken, but you are the same Muslim who's a terrorist. You are the same Muslim who's a fundamentalist. You are the same people who spread your religion at the point of the sword. You are the people who subjugate the woman. These few negative points at the back of his mind will prevent him from accepting the beauty of Islam. That's the reason when I meet a non-Muslim, what I prefer, I ask him up front, what does he feel is wrong with Islam? With the limited knowledge, whether right or wrong, what does he feel is wrong with Islam? And after he's made comfortable and he is at ease, he poses 3 or 4 questions. And there are a set of 20 most common questions asked by non-Muslims regarding Islam. And these 3 or 4 questions, they invariably fall in the 20 most common questions.